Greeting and introduction. Hello, my name is Ratha. I am 12 years old. I'm in grade 6. I have a brother and a sister. My brother is Vichet. He is 15 years old. He studies in grade 9. He is very good at mathematics. My sister is Ratana. She is 10 years old. She studies in grade 5. She is good at English. We go to school by bicycle every morning. The school is about 1 kilometer from our house. It takes 15 minutes to get there. Our school is a nice place to study. It has library, garden, playground, and football field. We like our school. Questions. Who is in grade 6? What is her brother's name? What subject is her brother good at? What grade is her sister in? How do they go to school?